Hey, how you doing? So listen, most of us use mouthwash, right? I know I do. Put in your mouth, you gargle, you rinse, you throw, you spit it out, whatever you must makes your mouth feel nice and clean, you know. Well, what happens if you take that mouthwash and you pour it in your toilet bowl? What do you think happens? Well, I got a story right here. It's going to tell us what happens when you put that mouthwash in your toilet bowl. So hang in there, because here we go.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to just find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. You hit that bell icon. This way, you know, next time I come out with a video, the thumbs up always helps. I appreciate everybody who does that. I appreciate all the subscribers. All our new subscribers, welcome. And your comments, man. Comments are awesome. Thank you so much. You know, I definitely get back to you. Doesn't matter how many I get, what they say, what they do, I'll definitely get back to you. Like to hear what's going on out there and what you think about anything we talk about. So today, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about mouthwash. Like I say, some people don't use mouthwash, some people do. I mean, it's like flossing. Like a lot of people floss. I've tried to floss, man. I have such a hard time. But I actually use those ones that look like little hooks with the little string, and you go like that. That's my extent of flossing. So different people take different ways of, taking care of their teeth, their mouth. Brush. I mean, I got the electric toothbrush. Makes it a lot easier. I try to take care of my teeth because I don't like going to the dentist, man. I mean, I just don't. But I do. I do take care of my teeth. I do go do what I got to do. But to prevent any kind of extra stuff or any upsells he wants to give me, I try to take care of my teeth. So anyway, but back to mouthwash. Got a little bit off subject there talking about teeth, but we all use the mouthwash to put it on mouth. We gargle, we spit it out, rinse it around, do what we got to do, and clean out our mouth. Well, I came across an article that talks about what happens if you throw that mouthwash into the toilet bowl. What happens? What does it do? It was very interesting, and it's very, I guess, I don't know. I guess you learn something from it. That's how you want to use it. Very informative. There's a big word for you. Let me read to you what it does, and if you have toothpaste, if you have mouthwash in the house and you don't use it, you could use it for this. What happens when you put mouthwash in your toilet? Some people say toilet. I say toilet. Let us first say that we aren't surprised anymore by the magic potions that can be put in your porcelain throne. Did you know that you can put Coke in your toilet for an excellent cleaning without too much scrubbing? That's per spruce. Or you can put a mixture of baking soda, boiling water, and vinegar to your toilet to unclog it. This is a pretty ideal scenario if you ask us, considering you most likely have these items already in your pantry. But have you ever considered putting mouthwash in your toilet? If we're being honest, we haven't thought about doing this yet. To that end, if we're wondering what can happen if you put the product that gives you ultra clean breath down your toilet, then you're not alone. Read on to see what happens when you put mouthwash in your toilet. We're going to do that. It turns out that mouthwash isn't just to keep your breath as fresh as can be. According to Today, it can also be used to clean several areas in your home, including foul-smelling laundry, garbage disposals, and humidifiers. You can also make TV and computer screens streak-free. And last but definitely not least, clean your dirty toilet bowl. Wow. When we think more about this, it makes sense since mouthwash can not only freshen breath, but kills bacteria too. Today advises that you simply add a quarter cup of your favorite mouthwash to the toilet and give it ample time to sit up to about 30 minutes. Then you'll want to take a scrub brush and give it a good scrubbing. And after that, you won't believe how clean your toilet will be. We've learned that you can also clean the absolute germiest part of your bathroom, which mouthwash with mouthwash, which happens to be your toothbrush holder. You can keep it free of bacteria by using boiling water, mouthwash, and scrub on a scrub brush. They're also saying too lemon juice you can put in there. Flush the toilet, throw a little lemon juice in there, and take your little scrub brush and scrub it around. And that also will help. There's a lot of different remedies. To make things happen. Why my nose is running? Give me a second. Hold on a minute here. Also, my nose just decided to run right in the middle of this. It wasn't too nice. What are we gonna do? We're all human, right? See, my nose runs too. But yeah, they're saying you can put lemons in there too. Lemons are a common household cleaner. You may be wondering what happens when you put lemon juice in your toilet. Lemons have so many great uses besides making lemonade. You know what I'm saying? So you could do a lot of things with different things, different home remedies. I even learned too that I used to go fishing a lot. I had my own boat, whatever. We used to fish and clean the fish up, and the hands used to smell. One of the best ways to get that out was I took toothpaste. I used to put toothpaste in my hand, clean it, do what I had to do, and the toothpaste made the smell go away. But like I say, there's a lot of different remedies. There's a lot of different things out there. I never heard this one with the toothpaste, with the mouthwash. Every time I think about mouthwash, I think about toothpaste. Because they're also saying, now listen to this: when is the best time to use mouthwash? Before or after you brush your teeth? Well, they say the best time to use it is before you brush your teeth. Because if you brush your teeth first and then use the mouthwash, you're rinsing out all that fluoride, whatever. So if you want to know what's the best way to do it, use your mouthwash, clean your mouth, spit it out, and then brush your teeth. Floss. I guess you would see now. Flossing again is another thing that I'm not really too into too much. I do it, but I would imagine if I was to do it, let me see. Maybe somebody out there knows the best way. I'm not sure, but what would be the steps I would take to clean the teeth? I think first I would use the floss, because the floss is going to get in between your teeth, right? You're going to be moving all that stuff around and getting all whatever, food you had for dinner that night or whatever out of your teeth, right? With the floss. So you use the floss, get everything out of there, whatever you got to do. Then take the mouthwash, put it in there, squirt it, swim it around, squish it between your teeth and everything, gargle, we'll do what you got to do. Spit that out. Now you might just have cleaned everything out. Now you get your toothbrush and your toothpaste. And you do that. Then you brush your teeth. Now, also too, some people use the water pick. My wife is big on that water pick. Now, I hear it all the time. Bzzz. That's another thing I would do first too. Use the water pick first to clean it out. Now, I guess the water pick you don't have to floss, but if you want to floss, I would floss first and then use the water pick to get even more. Because at least if you have stuff in there, use the floss to get out, make some spots in there. Use the water pick, then use the mouthwash, and then brush your teeth. And there you go. And if you do that, I guess you won't have any problem when you go see the dentist. But remember, it's always good to see the dentist, because the more you see the dentist, and this is why I actually go to the dentist, my 2 or 3 times a year for the cleaning, whatever, they pay for two times of cleaning, is because I'm trying to stay away from those big things like cavities and root canals and pulling my teeth and telling me this and that, and all that other crap, because sometimes I believe these dentists, they want to upsell stuff to you too. You know what I'm saying? You go in there, you take care of your teeth. Oh, this looks a little bit bad over here. You might have to fill this and that, whatever. And I'm like, whoa, take it easy, pal. You know what I'm saying? You're just trying to upsell stuff here. My teeth feel fine. I don't think I got a problem. And they try to upsell you some things. So I try to keep everything going. So this way I don't got to do what I got to do. Or they don't got to do what they got to do. And we don't need no drilling, we know yanking, pulling, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? So just take care of your teeth, do what you got to do. And hope for the best, you know. So stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you know it's going to come out with a video. Thumbs up always helps. I appreciate that from everyone. And your comments, you know, let me know how you brush your teeth. What do you do? What I got the down? Do I got to down pack the procedure or what? All right, guys. Again, I appreciate you all. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, take care of yourselves. I'm out of here. So long.